Morning Mindfulness. Start your day with calm and clarity. Hello and welcome to this morning mindfulness practice. Time to take a moment just for yourself, to pause, to breathe, to return to each day, to gently set the tone for your day ahead. For there is nowhere else you need to be right now. This is your moment. And we begin. Begin by sitting comfortably or standing if you prefer. Let your eyes close or soften your gaze. Now take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. And let it go out through the mouth. Again, inhale slowly and exhale with ease. Feel your breath anchoring you in this moment. Feel the air move through you, steady, calm, alive. Let your body begin to relax as you settle here. Bring attention now to your body. Notice the weight of your feet on the ground, the air on your skin, the rhythm of your breath as it flows naturally in and out. There's no need to change anything. Just notice. This is how presence begins. Not in striving, but in soft awareness. As you breathe in, feel your body waking gently. As you breathe out, feel yourself letting go of tension. Let's take a moment to plant a seed for the day. Ask yourself quietly, what kind of energy do I want to bring into this day? You might choose a single word: peace, focus, or kindness, or patience. Select a word that feels right to you. Breathe that word in. Let it fill your chest with light and warmth. Breathe it out and imagine it radiating into the space around you. Today is a fresh page. You choose how you show up. Now, if you wish, you might want to select another word. Peace, focus, kindness, patience, clarity, determination. Breathe that word in and let it fill your chest with light and warmth. And breathe it out and imagine it radiating into the space around you. We can repeat this as much as is needed for you. Return now to the feeling of your breath. Feel your body alive, alert, at ease. Notice how it feels to be here, awake to the present. This moment of calm is yours to return to any time. You are grounded. You are capable. You are enough. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take one final breath in and out. Carry this presence with you into your day. You've already begun with stillness, with clarity, with intention.